If you want to see how I achieve this look on this synthetic unit, please stay tuned and keep watching this video.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let you in this crowd.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell, my hair is blow dried and we finna get down to doing this braid down. So I'm just gonna braid down my hair. They're not gonna be perfect braids, but just braid my hair down. I'm not doing nothing perfect, nothing, smooth and clean. As long as my hair just braided down, I am fine. So I'm gonna go in with my edge booster just to slick my edges back. I don't care about the rest of my hair. As long as my edges are slicked back to where it is smooth, then that's fine.
On your lips, you touch, you kiss, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back? Knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the...
So now here, as you can tell, my hair is braided. No, it is not perfect, but at least it is braided. So now I'm gonna go in with my Miguel oil, and I'm just gonna run this all the way through my scalp and, just make sure my hair is perfectly saturated with some oil. So now I'm going in with the ball cap method. I'm using the HD wig cap. Yeah, I was about to say lace wig, but the HD wig cap so that it can lay more flatter. I honestly like to use this better than the normal one. But right here, I'm gonna go and cut out my eyes so that I can see. And then I'm gonna go in and cut out my ears so that it can lay as flat as possible. Now I'm going in with my Ebon Wonder Bond holding spray, and I'm just going to spray that all around the hairline and then just melt it into my skin as much as possible.
Pretty, but coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold.
And then right here, I'm just going in with my blow dryer to get it as dry and tacky as possible.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown.
And then I'm going to go in with my cream foundation in a number 11 and just go all around my ball cap with makeup. And please don't mind my nose. I don't know why it's red. It literally just happened out of nowhere. So disregard that, please.
Anytime. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shut over my cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitches
Big thighs got them busting out the jeans. Real dope vibes, turn these niggas into fiends.
I wanna go try and get a little maybe. In the meantime.
Now I'm going in with some alcohol to wipe around the area where the wig is going to be so that it can lay properly. So this is the wig, the What Lace Cloud 9 style Elena. Yes, let's get into this. Like, this is the hair. taking it out the package. So this is the hair, this is the wig. Okay, this is what we're getting into. So I'm just gonna take all this wrapping off so that you can actually see the wig.
Just some me time. Maybe I'll love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
One thing I can say about this wig is that it is not big head friendly. If you have a big head, it's not gonna work because my head is little, and it fits my head snug. So this is definitely not a big head friendly wig.
So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit. You weren't special till I made you so.
So right here, I'm just slicking back the edges. I'm just slicking everything back so when it's time to apply, all the hairs is not in my way. And then I'm gonna go right back in with my cream foundation and put that around the lace part so that it looks more like my skin.
Don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you. But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But I just lost my hope. Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All the shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know.
So right here, I'm just cutting the lace into 3 sections so that I can lay it down in 3 sections.
You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't?
So now right here, I'm going in with my Ghost Bond glue, and then I'm just gonna apply this all around my hairline.
Cause baby, it's the everything for me. For me. For me. Baby, it's the everything for me. For me. For me. Cause baby, it's the everything for me. For me. For me. Baby, it's the everything for me. For me. For me.
Then after applying it, I'm just gonna go in and dry it until it's clear. And then I'm gonna go back in with 2 more layers. So all in total, it'll be 3.
The truth is fitting, cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me, yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar-coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want.
So now right here, I am just going to lay the wig down right at where the glue is at or a little bit above where the glue at. And I'm just doing it in sections so that it's just easier. That's just what I prefer, and that's what's just easier for me. So I'm gonna do that on both sides.
You don't love me, she's too scary. My hope is fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
just some me time.
Hope you do what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell.
Then I'm going in with my wig band. I'm going to let this sit for a few minutes and let it just settle in place.
Now my picture's Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna coach you and get a little maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. Get some me time.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Only gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
it's not going where I want it.
get some me time.
You do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not going where I want it.
Now I am going in with my razor and cut each section off as close as possible.
I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Then just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away.
Then I'm going to go back in with my glue and lay down any of the pieces that the glue did not catch.
Don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should have figured though. All that shit you was spitting.
Then I'm going in with my Bond wig melting spray. But my top was messing up. I don't know what was going on, but I had to open the bottle. Instead of spraying it, I had to open the bottle and tap it in. But then I'm end up going in with the black bottle. And then I'm just going to go back around with some more of my cream foundation just around the hairline. Okay, so right here, I was trying to figure out where I was going to part it. Like, just looking at it from the moment, I did not like it. It just wasn't given, and I was about to get frustrated. But I ended up doing a side part, or parting my hair to a side part, but then I ended up changing everything to a middle part, just to give you a heads up. And this is just me right here, not liking it. I was not feeling it.
The truth is fitting, 'cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, 'cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated.
See, now this is me just switched it to a middle part. I actually like it better in the middle part. Like, it's giving something, you know, it's giving something. But right now, we're finna go ahead and do some baby hairs. Because I was thinking about no baby hairs, but I was like, nah, we're gonna do some baby hairs. It'll get a little bit more oomph. So we're just gonna do some baby hairs. I'm just gonna go in and section off the baby hairs, and then I'm gonna go in with my hot comb to flatten it out some, and then we're gonna go from here.
What you want? At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell.
Sadly, I didn't have a mini curling iron at home. All my stuff is mainly at work. So, yeah, I couldn't curl the baby hairs.
Be my leading lady. I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Only gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
it's some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
it's some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need muscle, fuck my wealth.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Then just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit. You weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you.
So this is the finished install. If you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and share. Bye.